Hi, I'm Juanita, a customer care specialist at Medical Guardian, and I'm here to walk you through your quick and easy setup process. Your Family Guardian package includes everything you need to install your device so that your system is ready to use in no time. Let's get started. First, select a location for the base station. The base station can be installed anywhere in your home, but we recommend placing it in a central location, such as your living room, family room, or kitchen. When choosing a location, keep in mind that the main door contact sensor and both of the activity sensors will need to be at least 7 feet away from it. Your system came with a UL bracket, which is optional to install, but it ensures that the base station cannot be unplugged from an outlet, so it's recommended you do so. To install your bracket, you'll first want to remove the screw from the power outlet's faceplate, slide the bracket over the Family Guardian's plug, and then plug the base station into the outlet, making sure that the two holes align. Then screw both the faceplate and the UL bracket onto the power outlet. Once the base station is plugged in, all you have to do is turn it on using the switch located on the bottom. After a few minutes, the lights will stop flashing and both the power and communicator indicators will light up green. Now that your base station is installed, let's move on to the main door contact sensor. This should be installed on your home's main door, and it needs to be at least 7 feet away from the base station and 5 to 7 feet off the ground. Let's install the larger sensor, the transmitter, onto the door frame first. Simply peel off the sticker on the back and press onto the door frame. Hold this for at least 3 seconds to make sure it's firmly in place. Next, peel off the sticker on the back of the smaller magnet. When installing this piece on the door, line the two sensors using the horizontal marks on both pieces. These sensors should be spaced about a fingertip width apart when the door is closed. Once the sensors are aligned correctly, press the magnet onto the door and hold into place for at least 3 seconds to make sure it's firmly in place. To test your sensors are working correctly, open the door. If installed correctly, you will see a red light flash on the transmitter when the door is open and a green light flash on the transmitter when it closes. Your Family Guardian also comes with 2 activity sensors, one for use in the kitchen and one for use in the home's primary bathroom. First, let's install the one in the kitchen. Choose a clean, dry location in the kitchen, at least 7 feet away from the base station and 5 to 7 feet off the ground. The sensor should not face any windows, sunlight, or any strong light source. Based on where you'll be installing the activity sensor, on a flat surface or in a corner, peel the appropriate stickers off of the mounting tape and press the sensor onto the wall and hold for at least 3 seconds to make sure it's firmly in place. After about 10 seconds, test this sensor by moving it into the coverage area. If installed correctly, the light on the front of the sensor will turn red when it sees your movement. Next, let's install the activity sensor in the home's primary bathroom. We'll install the same steps as before. Choose a clean, dry location in the bathroom, at least 7 feet away from the base station and 5 to 7 feet off of the ground. This sensor should not face any windows, sunlight, or any strong light source. It should also not be placed in the shower. After about 10 minutes, test this sensor by moving it into the coverage area. If installed correctly, the lights on the front of the sensor will turn red when it sees your movement.